Hey, what up, guys? You already know what it is. It's your boy Kellen in the six, hustling the hustle, trying to turn, trying to turn $600 into a milli. I know I've been quiet for the past couple days or so, but I've just been a little bit preoccupied, especially with the short week last week. But I'm gonna give you guys a full update right now. I'm gonna let you know of the back. We're not sitting where we were sitting before. I took a bit of a hit, but it's all right. It's all right. That's why we have the account to make it grow, to strategize, to come up with new techniques, so that way we gain and not lose all the time. Um, there was something else I wanted to. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna go over a change I made last week Friday because I realized, okay, you know what? I was a little bit too busy to really pay attention to the market. I'm gonna let you know my expectation for tomorrow as well as any changes I'll make to the account. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. And we're gonna do it off the computer like we did the last time. So let's get into it, guys. All right, so no, that is not our current balance. I wish it was, but we're currently sitting at $1,032.49, and I'm gonna let you guys know what happened while you were away. So I made some minor changes. I had to sell off one of my holding. I had to sell off Score. Still don't know if it was a great decision, but at the end of the day, I made profit. I took my profit and I walked away. Oh man, sorry. Because I took a little while to sell it, I lost $100. So I wish I sold it earlier, but it is what it is. Moving on. So I took the money out of Score, and what I did here in EXE, I decided to buy some more. So I bought 32 shares for $6.39. The total cost was $204. If I go back in history here just a bit, where's EXE? My initial purchase was $6.14, and we got 24 shares. Then I believe if we scroll up just a little bit more, here I bought 5 shares for $6.41. And yes, I know I keep buying it. Whether it goes up, whether it goes down, I'm going to keep buying it. And I told you guys why before. We're going to talk about it a little more in a second. Also, what I did, I bought more shares of Fire. I've been burned by the stock twice in the past, not just once, twice. And here I am, I'm still buying it. And as you can see, I bought it for 31 cents. If we go back a little in history, sorry, if we go back a bit, no, that's when I sold it like a dumbass for 17 cents. I regret that, but it is what it is. Here we are. So I bought just 32 shares extra. It wasn't even that much extra, it was 32 only. And then I purchased it for 51 cents and I had to pay $169. So 332 shares at 51 cents for 169. And here you're looking at 300 shares at 31 cents for $94. It was a stupid mistake, but it is what it is. Alright, guys, so let's go over to our Sheila's account, or I should say, let's go back to our Sheila's account. Oh, what did I do? Oh, sorry. I went to some other random page. Still trying to figure out how to use this, by the way. It's loading, and here we go. So now we're back. Currently, I'm only holding 2 positions, and that will be EXE and Fire. EXE, like I said before, we're going to keep this for a long time. This is a long-term play. What we're going to do, we're going to keep every opportunity we get. When it goes down, we're going to buy. If it goes up, we're going to buy. It doesn't matter. We're just going to keep buying. And the reason behind that is simple. The reason behind that is simple because it pays a dividend. I've already calculated here. If we have, how much we have 61 times 0.04. The 0.04 is the dividend. So the dividend is the money that the company is paying you every month or quarterly to hold their product, to hold their stock. So basically what's happening, EXC is paying a dividend of 4 cents per share, and they pay it on a monthly basis. And this is the reason why we want to keep dumping money into this account regardless of where the price goes. So if you click equal, it gives us $2.44. So every month right now, EXC is paying us $2.44. From our initial purchase when we bought 23 shares, we would have been getting, I think I said 90 something the first time, 92 cents. So we went from getting 92 cents a month to getting $2.44 a month. And we did that within a month span, or month or time frame, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. We're getting $2.44. And again, guys, keep buying. Right now, my average price is at $6.29. And the reason why I'm so interested in this stock, right? I'm looking at the potential rebound, and I'm looking for it to go back to at least $9-10. That's why I need to continue buying this right now, and I'm going to keep buying it. And I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for a dividend stock, you really should look into this, and I'm going to show you guys even more support and evidence why I think this is a great pick. If I go to the 5 years, so right before the market crash, you can see here it was trading well above 8. Also, history is known to repeat itself. You can see here it was trading at the same range it's trading right now, and it was able to go all the way above 8. Of course, the pandemic era back in March, it crashed all the way down to 5 something. Then it went back up. And the next reason why I'm so heavily invested in this one pick is this. It's simple. When I was doing my DD on this, it doesn't really go on the $5. And right now, when I initially purchased, I bought it for $6.14. So I'm getting in close to that range where it never really go on there. So my thing is, I don't care about the downside. I'm more looking at the upside right now. And I'm looking at least anywhere from, maybe I was about to say I'm going to stop buying at 7, but no, that's stupid. I'm not going to stop. So I'm looking at least a $3 like gain in the next couple months or so. So whatever amount of money I can put in it before it hits 7, I'm looking to like dollar cost average on the stock. If I have 300 shares, I'm looking to make $900, and that's why I say I'm going to keep buying this. And you can see there's a few times it had a pullback and it was able to recover. Then it had a next pullback here, it recovered. Now we're sitting in a pullback that every stock took a hit on. COVID-19, the pandemic, every stock in the market, ETF, everyone took a hit. And when it took a hit as an ETF, it didn't take a hard hit. It went down to the low, I believe it was 530 range. It don't, do your own DD. I believe it was the 530 range. I'll have to double check. I know it's in recovery mode. And I think now is the perfect time to get in. Anyways, guys, I don't want to bore you too much. Moving on. Currently, I'm up $6.51. Hopefully, I can make some profit next week, and we can add the next 100 or 50 or 60 or 10 or 5 or $20 into this again. I don't care. Even if I get 5 shares a month, that's good enough for me. Back to TSFE. So right now, guys, only 2 picks. Tomorrow, I have a huge decision to make. I currently have $375.85 sitting on the account, and it's not working for me. So I need to make it work for me. And I was thinking of going all in this new ETF. It's a crypto ETF. It's for cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been moving really heavy, as you guys notice. If you look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then you got the smaller little guys like Litecoin, you got Dogecoin. The whole crypto sector been moving, and honestly, crypto is very volatile. I'm not sure how long it's going to move for, but if you want to safely invest in cryptocurrency with low risk, high reward, I'll recommend this ETF. Hey, I'm not getting paid to do this or anything. I'm just trying to look at you guys if you're interested. If you don't know much about cryptocurrency and you just want something that's a little bit risky but not too risky, I'll say go for the crypto ETF. I'm still trying to figure out exactly which crypto is in this ETF. I need to do more research on it, but it's been out only, I believe, 2 days now. The IPO. I believe the IPO was, the public offering was, I think it was last week Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Like, hey, if I'm wrong and somebody know better, like, drop it in the comment. But currently sitting at $10.55. If we go to the all-time, the all-time, it's not much of the all-time. It's just 2 days. You can see it's down 4 cents. 4 cents from the initial price offer. But that's normal, guys. When a stock just come on the market, sometimes people are scared to invest at first. They want to see where it's going to go, whether it's going to go up, whether it's going to go down. They do not know, right? But if you look at the 1 day gain from Friday, it went up 46 cents, which means on the first day, it went down 50 cents. And it was able to recover 46 cents. And this is the reason why I may drop $200 or $175 into this. Let's do some quick math here. I like to calculate everything to see if it makes sense. And you know what? These are the things you'll be doing. Once you start investing, a calculator will be your best friend. Trust me. So we're going to do 175 divide. I see it maybe moving to 10. Let's say 1070. 10. Oops. Let's say it does go to 1070. We're getting 16 shares only. What if it goes up by $5 by the end of the week? Then right off the back, we could get $81. We can use the $81, dump it into our EXE account. But this may be a long-term play. The only thing is, I'm realizing right now that I'm getting a little bit strapped for cash. I'm only going to have $200 left. And I have some ideas for the 200. Either I go all in with this ETF and go quiet for a while on the $600 investment, or I keep the 200 and I look for something small as spec, and I try dumping it in one of these and try to get a quicker return. Because if I dump it per se, right, I take the $200, just per se. 200 divided by, let's say I go into something that's 60 cents, we get 333 shares. If that 60 cents move up 80 cents per se, then we could make $66 or so. And it could happen. I just need to do my research, and I'm going to go do that right now. One more thing, guys, before I run, why I chose this pick and why I like its dividend. No, they cannot really show you, but they've been paying a dividend of 4 cents for the past couple of years, and the dividend is pretty much loyal. And as long as a company continue paying a dividend through an economic crisis, that's a good sign. It shows that they're doing good, they have cash, and they're able to pay shareholders that dividend. Anyways, guys, you already know what it is. It's your boy Kellen in the Six, hustling the hustle. I'm out for now. I'm sorry this video was a bit longer than the usual, but I'll try to keep it short and sweet next time. Currently, we're sitting at $1,032.49, guys. I'm going to give you the next update during the week. Let's hope we see some gains. Next week, guys. You already know what it is. I'm out. Peace.